Sa bawat concert, hindi lang artist o music ang nagpapasaya sa manonood. Malaking bahagi rin ng experience ang malino na sound at tamang lighting. Pero ano nga ba ang nasa likod ng high-quality concert experience? Para malaman yan, panoorin natin to.
Quality music plus superb sound and lights is equals to ultimate concert experience. Malaking factor sa excitement ng audience ang tamang lighting and music equipment. At yan ang sinisigurado ng mga concert organizer. Kaya hindi na nila pinalagpas ang pagbubukas ng premier trade exposition sa bansa, tampok ang mahigit 150 international and local brands, kabilang ang isang technology solutions company na nakatutok sa pagbibigay ng finest music.
We distribute these products to be able to cater to giving solutions to the vast requirements of giving you quality audio, quality lighting consoles, and of course, good quality video solutions here in the Philippines.
Parte rin ng complete concert experience ang lights, kaya mahalaga ang training sa paggamit ng light consoles at iba pang equipment.
For a new beginner, just to know the concept, the software, and we got our trainer for Meme as well, just to show you the basic step, introductory into how and operating, how easy is it to operate our control system. People are paying a lot of money to go to concert, not just to see lighting anymore, but to see a cohesive, immersive experience.
Magandang experience ito hindi lang para sa mga pro, kundi pati na rin sa mga music enthusiasts.
Mas mag-i-improve yung mga gear na ginagamit ng mga artists, ng mga producers, especially pag nag-handle sila ng mga live shows nila.
Very international po yung level of quality niya and madali rin po siyang gamitin. So mga sikat din siya na brand, so very reputable din po yung mga ginagamit na materials.
Sa likod ng bawat hindi malilimutang concert at malalaking event ngayon, nariyan ang state-of-the-art tech na tunay na nagbibigay buhay sa bawat performance ng paborito mong artist.